Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie. Chinese calligraphy consists of 5 basic strokes, and now today I'm going to teach you a horizontal stroke. First, we need to vertical our brush, and then we hit the rice paper with the tip of the brush. And 1, 2, we pressed our brush into the rice paper, and then we turn our wrist to the right. At the end of our horizontal stroke, we need to vertical back our brush and then lift up our brush and turn it back with the tip of our brush, and we lift up a little bit, and then we press our brush, and then we lift up our brush and turn it back. If we want to have a more advanced horizontal stroke, we need to have a variation. The bottom of the horizontal stroke, there is a curve here, and the upper place of this horizontal stroke, it is flat. This variation makes a horizontal stroke become more beautiful. This is the beginning of a horizontal stroke, and this is the end of our horizontal stroke. And the middle one, we need to lift our brush little bit, so that the beginning at the end of horizontal stroke is more harder and the middle place is more light. First, we need to hit the rice paper with the tip of the brush vertically, and then we press our brush 1, 2, and then we turn our wrist to the right, and then we slightly lift our brush. At the end of this horizontal stroke, we need to vertical our brush and then lift up a little bit, and then turn back, and then we need to upper our tip of the brush, and then we press our brush, and then we lift up our brush and turn it back. For practicing this horizontal stroke, I'll introduce 3 Chinese characters for this horizontal practice. That is 1, 2, 3. This is 1 for a Chinese character, and then 2. The Chinese character 2 consists of 2 horizontal strokes. The first one is a short horizontal stroke. Second horizontal stroke is a long horizontal stroke. And for 3, it consists of 3 horizontal strokes. The first stroke is also a short horizontal stroke. And the second stroke is also a short horizontal stroke. And the third horizontal stroke is a long horizontal stroke. For practicing horizontal stroke, we can learn these 3 Chinese characters. 1, 2, 3. I hope that for practicing this horizontal stroke, you also can learn some Chinese character. This is the most basic character of learning Chinese language and characters. So, hope you enjoy this video. Bye.